So I'm here to talk about my I've wrench and screwdriver haul I bought from 3 different auction houses to try and test this out to see if I should bring more hardcore on it. Yeah, see my profit, so let's go try it out. Let's go check it out. So the first is a Craftsman V in VV series wrenches. This is a lot of 8 wrenches. There are open end, combination, and offset wrenches. There's a 12-14 millimeter Craftsman offset. There's 5 combination wrenches, and there's 2 open end wrenches. These are all V and VV series. Most of these do not. A lot of these do not have the part numbers. Some of them there's V series. There's some VVs, but they're a little rustier. A little rusty and to it, so they're not like perfect condition VVs. So I deferred these. So I bought these up. They're at $19.99 free shipping. I have this mixed USA and foreign mechanics into it. Some are USA branded, some are like unbranded, like foreign ones. And I looked all these name brands up before I loaded them up in the slot. I did. And I took a bunch of pictures. And some of these like are rusty wrenches. See, like they're pretty rusty, or like rusty right there. Okay, part numbers. Right there. And some of these are like Taiwan wrenches. Yeah, so I sold these for. I'm gonna put these at 99 cents free shipping. And someone foreign mechanics lot sold for let's say like $52 plus shipping. So I priced mine at 99 cents. That's what that person did. That was unbranded as well. So I'll take it. This is unbranded. This mine is unbranded. Because there's a bunch of different brands. They even say there's some branded tools in there. A lot of unbrands. Here's a lot of 11. Moebi denim, chrome, Craftsman BF wrenches. These remain standard combination wrenches made in Japan. These are $44.99 free shipping. I sold these. So some of these are selling metrics for about $5 a set one. But they're selling these for. Then they're taking offers, so maybe they're selling them for like $4, like a combination wrench. Maybe they're selling these for like $4 a wrench. So I don't know. Which is, I'll take it if it sells for $44.99. It might sell for. $4 wrench should be like 3 would be 33. So I'll take $40 to $45 for them. That's a high hope for maybe 40. Then I have this Husky Pro Phillips screwdriver, 544-572 WFP1. Some of this has this listed for like 19, I want to say. So mine's not as good a condition on the handle, so I press mine a little bit lower. And this one at 9. Then I have a V, but it's the equal sign V. Looks like 2 lines, V, and then yeah, so 3/8 and 7/16 mean USA. This is for $9.49 free shipping, just generically. And I have some screwdrivers, Slide and Phillips. A lot of these are rusty and like the handles are in perfect shape. And I even looked these up. These are not worth like the most money, but they're like still made in USA screwdrivers. So I just ended up selling these, for a little less. I mean, I'm still gonna make okay money on them. I mean, I'm not making great money, but on them, I'm making tons and tons and tons of money. I'm still making some money, so I'll gladly take it though. And then I have these 4-ratchet and gear wrenches. These wrenches are not in perfect condition. They're like a couple of them are like hard to turn, like the back of them. Like the back of the wrench, the ratchet parts on it. I can like turn it both sides when when the side that's the left, the side that's the right. And then you flip, and I can also I can do it to where there's like a couple of them you can turn, but they're like so easy to turn. So I'm wondering if they're like a little loose, or that's the way they're supposed to be. I sold these 4 wrenches as is, making as is gear wrench, ratchet wrenches. I'm selling them that way. So yeah. I'll gladly take it though. I have this Craftsman 3 8 SAE 2-point combination VV. It's the VV-44693 main USA. This sounds pretty sure not worth a bunch, but I'll take it though. Better than nothing. And then I have a USA 43372 4-inch drive spinner black handle extension H. This is for $10.49 free shipping. So I'll gladly take it. On how much? And there's someone has like the end like the ratchet, like the back part of the combination, which was broke. It broke or cut or something. And it's at $18 free shipping on eBay. So I priced mine a little bit higher than free shipping. There's a little less than it. So yeah. So that's it. I have a few more wrenches and screwdrivers that's from that lot. I have a couple more to do from that lot on eBay. There's a few more that I didn't put in the big lot. I'm not going to add it to the lot. I'm just going to make when there's a new lot coming, I'm going to just make a new lot of that stuff and list in there. So yeah, that's it, pretty much for this last stuff. Right now, tomorrow I'm gonna list the last few things. I'm gonna take pictures of the last few things on eBay and then list them and get them sold.